Well, it's 7:24. Saturday morning. We had a terrible, terrible thunderstorm and rain early this morning. It's supposed to be, as you can see, blowing over. You can see it moving there real fast. If I stand still, I hope you can. But it's ominous right now. I'm getting ready to put my gear in my truck and go to the knife gig. I got to back the leader's car out of the garage and then back mine in and put the stuff in it. I put most of the stuff in yesterday, as I always do. I got the heavy stuff that the water don't hurt. Table and chairs. And this stuff right here. I gotta have to put some of it in here because it's raining right now. More so than I expected when I came out here. We're a hardy little bunch. I don't see but ain't a whole lot of people here, but I guess they're coming. Well, I'm all set up. Vegetable guy, the chicken guy, the other vegetable guy, crepe lady. Best of it, coffee. There's another egg chicken guy next to the seafood guy. I'm down to, I left one machine in the truck, so I got 2 Kalamazoos and my buffer. If I have any business, I'll be okay. I brought some restaurant knives. To sharpen. I have something to do if it's slow. Alright, it's still really overcast, but it's not raining. See, I'm lucky I'm under this big gazebo. My second customer. It's so slow I forgot to take a picture of the first 2 knives I had, regular kitchen knives. This is number 2. But now, something has showed up. It's a gathering of something. I can feel them in here. Good gracious, customer. 1 taquito, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Yay! Got 1 nice shun. And sabatiers. Like 3 of them. Yeah, big sabatier there. Okay.
Thank y'all.
Bad shape. I don't like them. Well, the sun comes in, the sun goes out. It was bright sunny a few minutes ago, and now it's socked in again. But no rain. Number 4. 12. It's 20 minutes to 12. Well, Saturday's been saved, I think. This is a neighborhood over near where I live called Church Point. It's relatively new. It was built on a big old farm called Bayville. It was a big dairy farm, Guernsey cows and all. When I was little, they used to deliver milk to all the local people who lived there. Best milk I believe I ever had in my whole life. Never found any like it since. A guy called me on the way home. And in that bag right there is a whole bag, a whole block of Henkels. 13. All size, shapes, and configurations of Henkels. So I told him I'd do them sometime tomorrow and get them back to him. And right there is a bowl of homemade chicken soup that my daughter made. I may have to have that for dinner tonight. I got leftovers from dinner last night for lunch when I get home. Tide's low in about an hour and a half. So I'm pretty sure I'm going for a spin on the bay. I don't know if I'm going to the cave or where, but I'm going somewhere. Stand by. There's the savior. 6 steak knives. And 7 more, he said. He lost one, so we got 13 total. So rated bread knife. Chest knife. Okay, I got stuff for tomorrow morning. Cool. I'm headed to the bay. Good luck to everybody. On the way back from the knife gig, I stopped at a farmer's market in a church just to ride around and see what it was. And I didn't see hardly anything. It probably had 50, 60 vendors. But I didn't see anything I liked until I got to this one table. And he had all kinds of electronic gear. He was an electronics dealer. But stuck on the end of his table was this. I don't know if you know much about these kind of knives. I don't know much about them, but I know this is a cool one. Got a moose on it. It's got some geese. And it says marbles right there. If you take it's not in too bad a shape. It does need a little cleaning up. I can't find one on eBay just like it with the case that says marble, but I can find one similar. They go from $33 to $400 or $500. I paid $1 for it. Most of them say marbles, Gladstone, Michigan, Gladson. But this one, I can't make out anything but marbles. I can see the Gladstone clear as day in marbles, but there's no Michigan below the Gladstone. But that's a cool ticket right there, I'm telling you. Any of you guys want to comment on it, shout them out there. I like it. Marbles. I like marbles anyway. Okie dokie. Get the roundup from that great spin I had in a few minutes. It's right over there. Drying on a newspaper. Isn't that some hot goose right there? I see you. I'm pretty sure that's it right there. I don't know when this piece of paper was printed, but that's the knife. The design and everything. $2.90. I found a couple on eBay similar to it, but not the exact knife, but that's the exact knife right there. You see it? Okay.